Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. Welcome to Guarantee RV today. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2017 Miramar 34.4. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, back here in the back bedroom we've got a back window, which is not always found in most coaches. We've got windows on both sides of the bed. Got a spot for a combination washer dryer here, or more closet space. You can see there are some slide trays here. That makes it nice. Plenty of drawers underneath. You got yourself a nice size, about 32-inch TV up top here. Big closet. You can see a couple of the extra chairs. We'll get to where those go in the living room. Privacy door here into the bedroom. Gives you a separate bath here. On this side you've got a nice vanity. Lots of room for everything you need. And underneath we've got a large shower. And when we move across the hall here into the commode, let me get the light on for you. More storage in this area for towels and essentials for the restroom. As we walk in here, you can see our control panel right here on this side. Then you're going to have a pantry right here in the hallway. Another privacy door. Makes it nice. And right here we've got a residential refrigerator, Whirlpool. Good quality refrigerator. Is going to stay cold longer and get cold quicker. Here's our TV. This TV will swing out, turn any direction you want. You can see how that works. Makes viewing from different parts, and also goes up and down. This is a televator. So when you want your window, you can put your television away and you're going to have a nice window to look out of. As we work our way around the kitchen area here, you can see you got some workspace over here, maybe a spot for a coffee maker or your bread, spice rack, more storage here above, deep storage there, microwave convection oven. Room for a garbage can. You also have a regular oven here. Yeah, so you have two ovens in this coach. You've got extra workspace right here when it slides out. Across from the television set, you've got theater seating. This is always nice when the weather's bad and you're in watching a movie or watching the news. Over here across the hall, or across the living space, you've got a larger table. Those two chairs that were in the closet are going to go right here, so in case you have some guests in. Over here, that's because the TV's in behind it, then you have some of your DVD player and things like that. So, okay. There is a drop-down bed up front. It's going to give you space for two more grown adults. I'm not going to put it down all the way now, but very nice sleeping area up front. That's got a 500-pound capacity, I believe, up here. Yes, 500 pounds. So you can see it's a big queen-size bed. In case you put the kids up there, it's got that netting around it. I'm going to put that back up now. You got two fans up front. Fans are great when it's hot, but when it's really cold out, those fans help blow warm air onto that big old window. You can see when you're up front here, you've got great vision. You can see in all directions. You're up above the traffic. You can see further down the road. If something does happen down the road, you have more reaction time. Very plush seating in this coach. Nice cockpit area. You've got a desk for the co-pilot here. Work on your computer, or you can work on whatever that desk comes in handy for. So we're going to go outside and take a look around. Of course, this coach has auto leveling and generator and all that. It's like most coaches, but this is a very well appointed coach. So we're going to go out and take a look around. You got a mirror here in case you got something going on and you need to go out and take a look at yourself. Make sure you're ready for the potluck or whatever's going on that night at the campground. You'll notice on this awning that there are no bars coming down here to bang your head on. Okay, this is a nice awning that covers this whole side of the coach. You can see up here we have an outdoor TV. You can see it goes across all the way at the top up here, but a big storage area. Outdoor speakers for the TV. Slam latches. It's nice having doors that open this way. Oh, look, we got a little bonus here, folks. We've got a barbecue and a little table to hold that barbecue. Wow. As we move down the coach, you can see this is a full body paint coach. There's one of our water tanks right there. Not a lot of storage in this one. Big wheels, alloy wheels and tires. Outdoor kitchen on this coach. So you've got here's your quick coupler for your propane, so you can hook your barbecue up. And you have a refrigerator out here to keep your beverages cold. And a nice sink, so you can do a lot of your cooking when it's warm outside. Okay, coming here, more storage here. Ladder on the back, backup camera, receiver for towing. Here's one of your slides here. There's your 5500 Onan generator. Electrical plug-in, propane tank. Clean out bay here with the outdoor shower and water filter. Easy access to your batteries. More storage on this side. That does go all the way across. There are lights in each storage area. More storage here. Here's your side camera, so when you put your signal on, it's going to turn left. You'll be able to see that on your indoor and your camera on the dash, and same thing when you put your right signal on. Folks, if you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guarantee RV, please give me a call. My name is Ken Quick. I go by Coach, retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My number is 208-250-8625. Have a great day. Thank you very much.